Hey guys, I'm Tammy and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get that really nice overlocked edge on an ordinary sewing machine. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, an overlocked edge or a serged edge is basically a really clean way to finish the seams of a garment, but I know not everyone has the budget to actually buy one of these machines. So I'm going to show you how you can get a really clean overlocked look just by using your sewing machine. So behind me, I actually have the Faf Creative 3.0, which is definitely a high-tech machine, but you can definitely use all the techniques I'm going to show today on your ordinary sewing machine, regardless if it's something cheaper or on the higher end in the sewing machine market. So I have this Brother overlocker and it's really perfect for beginners. I'll make sure to leave a link down below to the exact one on Amazon. I'm just going to show you first what an overlocked edge looks like. So it cuts the edge and then sews the raw edges to stop it from fraying. My sewing machine has a lot of stitches, but I'll specifically show you two that will help you create this effect. So to get started, I've just sewn a straight stitch, but we're going to sew this raw edge. On your machine, you'll want to select a normal zigzag stitch. They look like lots of triangles on top of each other. On my machine, you can also actually see what it looks like to scale. I'm just going to play with a few settings. So I'm just sewing the zigzag stitch kind of close to the edge all along. And then after I've done that, I cut it closer to the edge without cutting the stitching line. And this is what that looks like. It's a really easy, beginner-friendly way to finish a seam. So on this machine, I have lots of options of overlocked style stitches. As you can see, there's quite a few variations. I'm going to show you what this one looks like. You can play with more settings here if you want. It's also suggesting for me to use this blind hem foot. I simply just align the edge with the red dial and sew all along. And this is what this edge looks like. I really like how neat it looks and I love that it goes right to the edge. I hope you enjoyed this really easy, quick tip. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer. If you enjoy my content, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the like button.